Hi, in front of me is Blackview A80 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change keyboard theme on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now scroll down and tap on System. Then Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and keyboard that you're currently using, in my case, Gboard. Go into Theme and tap on Show More to see all available options. Now you can click on the color and tap on the switcher next to key borders to enable or disable them. When you're done, click Apply. You can also pick one of the images, tap on it, and click Apply as well. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!